Section 2.2, example 10, finding the equation of a line given the slope and 1 point. So write the equation of the line with slope m equals -3 and passing through the point 4, 8. Write the final equation in slope-intercept form. So there's two main equations that we're going to look at right now. The first one being point slope. So our point slope formula, we just need 1 point and the slope. So y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, where y1 and x1 is a point, m is a slope, and these x's and y's are just part of the equation. So we're starting off with that, and they also throw in this term, slope-intercept form, and from example 9, we know that that's our y equals mx plus b. So slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. So starting off with that, they want us to find the equation of a line. So we're definitely going to start off with this and end up with this. So starting off with that equation, y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So parts that aren't going to change are going to be this y and x. Everything else is going to have an input. All right, so starting off with y1, x1, that's coming from our point, the point 4, 8. So 4 is our x1, 8 is our y1. So 4 and 8 go there. And lastly, we need to know what our slope is. And if you look right here, slope is given to us. Slope is -3. So you just throw a -3 here. And now we have the equation. It's just not in the proper form. We're going to get it to slope-intercept form by isolating y and having everything else over on the right side. So to get y by itself, we have to add 8. But before we do that, I see that we could distribute this -3 to those two terms. So y minus 8, we leave that as is for the moment. Then we have -3 times x. It's -3x. And we have -3 times -4. So distributing that, negative times negative gives us positive. So plus 3 times 4 is 12. And lastly, to get it in slope-intercept form, we're going to add 8 to both sides, leaving us with y is equal to -3x plus 20. And that's it. That's the equation of a line given a point and a slope in slope-intercept form. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.